did good job today, Bulldog. Make Boris very proud.
You should be proud. That's some rig you've got there.
Boris needs no woman to offer praise.
Maybe not. On the other hand, maybe you're not as tough as you seem. Clutch Hawks was saying you got him with a lucky shot.
Lucky? The Tsar needs no luck.
Okay, Tsar. Maybe you don't. How'd you like the chance to finish off Clutch Hawks and Wildcat for good?
For good?
That's right, Cossack. Tonight, on a lonely road, my friends and I are going to set up a permanent detour for Hawks. I thought you might be interested in joining us.
Boris interested.
Sorry you didn't win, Clutch.
Don't worry, sweetheart. It's only one battle in the war of life. Besides, it's nice to see you, Gloria.
It's always nice to see you again, Clutch.
Well, I'll see you soon at M.A.S.K headquarters, Gloria.
Congratulations to all the drivers in today's fantastic demolition derby at the arena. But particularly to Boris the Tsar Bushkin, a newcomer who seems destined for greatness.
Yeah, mister, I gotta agree with you on that one.
He's coming.
All right, Lester, take it easy.
But he's coming, and it's time. Hey, who's this guy?
This guy is Boris Bushkin, the Tsar to you. This is the kind of slime you call friend.
Just a second, Ruski. No one calls Lester Sludge slime.
How about no good slime, then?
What?
Take it easy, both of you. Typical men. You let your emotions be controlled by muscle rather than brain.
Since this toad has neither, what is he doing here?
Toad?
All right, that's it. Hawks is going to be here any second.
That's right.
Take your positions.
Big shot. You don't even have a mask.
Unlike you, lizard. My face isn't so hideous that it needs to be hidden.
Ah!
It's Iguana! Demolition Derby Part 2 is about to begin. Mask on!
Iguana convert! Come on, Hawks. Let's see you try to stop me.
You got it! Death fire!
This time the game's for keeps, Hawks.
I have a feeling I better convert this baby.
That's right, dodge my fire. Well, he can't keep it up forever. We'll see how you hold up against an airborne Manta. Lester, keep him busy down there.
Come on, lizard, let's see what you're made of.
You really want to know what I'm made of, Hawks? Sludge! Fire!
Concrete cannons, fire! How disgusting! Just what I'd expect from Venom.
Not this time, Hawks. Whip on!
Here's mud in your eye. Mudslinger on! Hit me!
That's it, Lester. We've got him where we want him now.
This wildcat is blind as a bat.
Time to introduce him to our new friend.
Prepare to feel the power of Bulldog.
Ram him! Crush him!
That's better. Now let's see who's where. You should have quit while you were ahead, Bushkin. Mask on.
So much for your big shot friend, Vanessa. I don't know why you bothered with that guy when you've got me around.
A little less talk and a little more action, Lester.
Right. One Swiss cheese mask member coming up.
Your aim's a little high, Lester.
That's all right, Hawks. You can't duck my shredder blade.
Say goodbye, Hawk.
I wish you hadn't done that, Vanessa. Really, I do.
Be quiet, Lester. You've been nothing but trouble on this whole mission.
I've been nothing but trouble. You mangled my shredder blade. And from what Bruno tells me, you did a pretty good job on Stinger, too.
Okay, that's it. You're out of this one.
Good. I was getting hungry anyway. I wonder if there's a decent truck around.
Surely you don't count Boris Pushkin out of this.
It's about time, Tsar. I thought you were asleep down there. Poor Clutch. You just don't know which way to turn, do you? Here it comes, Hawks.
You're right about that, Vanessa. Courtesy of M.A.S.K's newest member.
Huh?
Now to give Vanessa a little fireworks display. Mask on. Comrade, fire!
What's this? Mask! Of all the treachery!
Well, we did learn a few tricks from you and Miles. I was wondering what was taking you so long, Boris.
Is the old Russian saying, better late than never.
I'll buy that.
But I won't. What a shame you had to choose the wrong side to fight on, Pushkin. It's a rare day when I can put 2 mask agents out of business.
Don't count on it, my lovely. You've yet to deal with my Siberian surprise.
Got it! I got Hawks! The blizzard! I'm snowblind! I can't see anything!
That is the object.
No problem. I can fly by instrument alone.
Instruments do little good when air is filled with Tristonium disruptors.
Tristonium disruptors? No! No, these instrument readings can't be right. What? Now I'll teach this fool a lesson. Didn't expect me to pull out of it, did you, Pushkin? Give Clutch Hawks my regards when you see him.
To steal a line, reports of my departure are greatly exaggerated.
What? It's impossible. I know I hit Wildcat.